I want to start up by apologizing for the noise. I've got the kerosene heater in here, and it's thundering away, keeping this place nice and warm. I actually probably need to take my jackets off right now. All of today I've been wire wheeling the frame and painting it. Got it in the matte black. It's Rust-Oleum stuff. I'm going to go ahead and give it a coat of oil before I pack it all up. But I still need to finish one or two last spots doing that. In the meantime, I also brought the seat box in, and I've been giving the, well, what's left of the underseat compartment, the toolbox thing, a good coat of the paint, and that's going to also get oiled. I'm going to flip this over and do the inside of that next. I also brought the seat box out from the, what is it, 67. I'm going to steal the mount for the seats out of the middle. I'm tired of having those middle seats flop, those two seats flopping about, so this will put an end to that if I stick that in there. Just got to whip that off, a couple of bolts, and stick it on there in place. Well, I've got the whole frame painted as much as I'm going to get it. Pretty pleased with how it came out. Still have to oil it, but that'll be tomorrow's job. Let's see, what else? Got this all painted up. That's the bracket for the seat. I did take off the other one, and look at that lovely spot of, that's the original paint. I mean, it's even still got the original shine to it. That's quite lovely. I really like that. Makes me happy. It's nice and smooth and all that jazz. Let's see, what else have I got done? Well, basically that's it, I guess. Got that taken off. Got it all painted. I do have this outrigger welded on. It's really nice and solid. I mean, there is zero flex in that. As with this one, really pleased with how that turned out. It's going to be a lot more solid than it used to be. So I guess tomorrow, give the chassis a nice oil with old motor oil, or and maybe some gear oil, I'm not sure. Basically just put it on a old rag and wipe down the whole frame. That'll help protect it from the road salt. This is kind of, because it's a matte finish, it's kind of porous. It'll absorb that oil and kind of help keep it watertight even longer. So I think that'll be all for today. It's actually getting cold now rather quickly now that the heater's not pumping any more heat in here. I'm gonna go throw on my jackets, turn the lights off, and call it an evening.